Well, good morning. So how do you dig a hole to put trees in the ground when it's got a lot of rock? It's almost like a clay. I think I figured out the easy way to do it without going and renting any equipment. Providing you have the equipment already, like I do. Got me a nice Kohler 173cc pressure washer with the 0 degree point on it. Put your barrel out, mark your size of your hole that you're wanting, like what I got going on here. For my next hole to dig, I just go on the inside of the barrel. Kind of keeps the bud from getting everywhere, and that still get some on you. But it's like just a pressure hydraulic drilling type thing. I'll give it a quick demo. I got 2 cherry trees I'm putting in. Put in a grapevine over there a little bit ago, and it worked out quite well. What we have here is a peach. I'm not sure if this was a apricot or a peach, but it didn't have no fruit last year, but it does now. It's kind of fuzzy, so it's one of those two. Thought it was an apple. This one here is an apple. I got to cut out the bottom growth again. Then we have a pear. It's doing well. These sort of like 3 years old now, I think. And then we have a plum. Then we have a lemon. I just don't think it's going to do anything. I mean, it's got green on it down and below and everything, but we'll see. Same with this one over here. And then this one here is a lime. It's questionable if it does anything. It looks like it's growing out from below the graph. And then this here is a blood orange. So let me get the pressure washer started and demo. What's going on here? I don't know what was the problem, but it's on now. Don't have enough hose. Gotta move it. Kind of got to work it a little bit, move some of the rocks, push it down inside, wiggle and jiggle, and take it down to the full length of the pressure rod. And move over to another location. So this works pretty darn well. Makes it a lot easier than trying to dig by a shovel or a post hole and all that good stuff. Then you're ending up with a hole like that.